Hello, garlic lovers. I'm Jennifer here at A Little Food and Gift. I'm coming to you from our Canton location. And this month, April, is National Garlic Month. And here at our store, we are all about garlic. Everyone loves garlic, and our most popular flavor of olive oil is garlic. So we thought we'd take the month of April to delve into this herb and vegetable, because it is considered both, a little deeper, and share some tips and tricks and some really delicious recipes with all of you. So what I have going on here is a little garlic 101 and a little garlic basics, okay? And with garlic basics, garlic's been cultivated for thousands and thousands of years, and it originally came from Southeast Asia, okay? And then it finally spread through the Mediterranean with nomadic tribes. And archaeologists have actually found remnants of garlic in tombs, so it was pretty important to the Egyptians even 5,000 years ago. There are some 300 varieties of garlic, and garlic is separated into two types, okay? And what I have here is the soft neck variety, your basic general grocery store variety. All right, and right now here in Connecticut, this is really all we can find. We can't really find fresh garlic right now, okay? But what I've put together here for everyone to see, if you don't know, kind of interesting information, is there's two types of garlic varieties, hard neck and soft neck. And you can tell the difference by the hard necks have these long, very hard, stocky pieces that come up from the center, whereas the soft necks do not, okay? And my little handy dandy pictures here will also show you, if you cut the garlic in half, you can see what the soft neck looks like as opposed to the hard neck. The other thing that soft necks do not have that hard necks have is when they are grown, a scape comes up. And this scape will eventually develop a flower. But what you do is you cut the scape off as it starts to grow, so that all of the energy can then go to the bulb. All right, and garlic is planted in the fall and then harvested in the summer, around July or so. And you know, there's nothing that takes the place of fresh garlic, just like any fresh vegetable out of the garden. I can tell you that 13 years ago or so, my husband Matthew and I were in New Orleans, doing what tourists do in New Orleans. We were at Cafe Du Monde having coffee and beignets, and there happened to be a farmer's market there. So walking around the farmer's market, knowing that clearly we're not going to buy any fresh produce to bring home, we found a garlic grower. And we bought this beautiful bag of garlic that was striped with red. We brought it home, I shared it with my parents, and we all couldn't believe how delicious it was. And my parents, being huge gardeners, my dad was inspired to start his own garlic crop. So for numerous years now, he's been growing garlic, and now for the past 3 or 4 years, my husband Matthew has also been doing it. And we've been enjoying fresh garlic every year now. Hard neck garlics are more flavorful. They are closer to a wild garlic taste. They don't last as long, however. Once they're harvested, they're usually good for about 3 to 4 months. Then they start getting kind of mealy and moldy. That's why mostly what you're going to find in the grocery store is soft neck, because they last much longer, 6 months, 8 months or more. Oftentimes, many garlic in this country comes from China, but you can also find California garlic. So over the course of the month, we're going to do some really great recipes, so keep an ear out for that in your email, through our app, and on Facebook. In our first little series, we're going to do garlic spreads. We're going to talk about tzatziki sauce, we're going to talk about a Lebanese garlic, and then also a garlic and fennel puree. So stand by, and we'll see you soon.